Publishing your game on Roblox means other people can play it. Here's how to do it. First, you need to go ahead and open the game that you want to publish. For that, you need to access the Roblox Creator Studio or Roblox Studio. Once it is opened, log into your account and open the game that you want to. Once you're done creating the game, tap on the file in the top right corner of your screen and then tap on Publish to Roblox As. Tap on Create a New Game. Now give it a name. You can also add a description if you want. Select the creator and devices as well. If you want to enable Team Create, simply toggle this option over here, which enables collaboration and auto save to cloud. Now tap on Create, which is highlighted in blue color in the bottom. Now click on View on Creator Hub. This will open the content settings. From here, you can again edit the name, description, genre, like action, adventure, education, whatever you want. Then select privacy, either public or private. And if you want to enable studio access to API services or mesh or image APIs, simply check this box over here and then tap on Save Changes, tap on Confirm. That's it. This is how you can go ahead and publish a game on Roblox. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.